ديار وقعنت له قدك وسوها يا جي I am ready ديار بان أحد طلع الدين أنت يا كنت هو ما شاء الله يوحصوغر ما شاء الله هوي هوي ما قصنا نسو سمره ما شاء الله ذا ما شاء الله ذا هوي are you ready okay وبلابا حتى قدك وسوها يا جي let's go قدك وسوها يا جي let's go بور مربنا يا قفك أن سوق بنا بليز عدنا قدك يا هنقض متهيأكسن عدنا قدك يا هنقض متهيأكسن أنا قدك وسوها يا جي I'm ready let's go let's go waxa soo qabanaya dadka inta ku soo qoro isoo qabo ama meeshan gacmaha ka soo taagtay commentiga soo qabana few request diyaar aan ahaw ama aan tahay ama haddii aadan ahaynba waa lagu soo qabanaa
Hello,
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Waalaikum salam brother. Waqti kooban ayaa haysanaa sida asxaabta kale ay ugu qayb qaataan barnaamijka uusan boorin u noqon. Magacaaga iyo meesha joogtid.
Magacayga waxaa la Asid Abdullah jooga Canada. Taageero qaas ah ku ah saaxiib.
Thank you walaalkay. Canada intee ka joogtaa? Edmonton.
Saskatchewan.
Xagee u badan yihiin Soomaalidu?
Soomaalida meeshaan bay u badan yihiin. Ninka garnaa
Aad waa yahay. Are you single or not?
I am single.
You are single. Waa yahay. How old are you brothers?
I'm 20. Ani single nimo u soo galina in aad ku arki bisaare.
وياهي برادر شرف الله له وكو سلام يا ادمنتون اصحابتي دغنا igu sii salaan he is 20 he is still young go and learn your school let's go بسرعه سنقلمو انا dad kala talmaan ما شاء الله horta jee ما شاء الله هوي wax badan aad tamraaya soo qor ما شاء الله الو Doctor Wakaltalena, if you are single, I have idea for you. One qawlina. If you are single this Ramadan, Allah barnamij. Okay? Hadda 20 qaweentahay waa dhiba maya. Nin hadda tahay 25 inta daw dhaaftay waanadu waa caaw talab siinayna. Way ugu dhaw dhex dhiginaysa. hadda gabar tahay 20 iyo 3 hadda dhaaftid adina waxa u baahan tahay in lagu la taliyo hadda qeyb tahay laakiin okay gacmihii taagan let's go Hey. qofka aawacno please ayuu ha qabto sida asxaabta barnaamijka ugu qayb qaataan uusan nooga noqon mid boring ah let's go waqtigeena qofkaas abu adaa qabsa waay ma joogta leesay camal qofkaana soo qabanayna let's get it that's why السلام عليكم حاجة ولا حتاي وياي مركان waxaa soo qabanayna wait qofkaana soo qabanayna please waxaa isku daydaa in internet fiican aa haysatid internet fiican inaa haysatid isku day si barnaamijka uusan nooga noqon mid boring ah okay waa ku soo qabanaa diyaar waaye qofka aad qaawacno waqti kooban hadduu ku qawaayo qof kale wacnaa si barnaamijka dad fara badan ay uga qayb qaataan let's go macnaha qofka aawacno hadduu qaban waayo
siige ila siige
aye
I am not in hospital wallahi I'm in my home.
You are not in hospital, you are home.
I washing.
You washing, mashallah, my sister. You are very good. You washing your.
Yes.
Huh?
Today.
Wait, my sister, go and get garbasar. You have garbasar? No, that is funanet. Go and take garbasar.
Hey.
Ishi.
See.
حوالي دابشين عمرها دعي يا رفوسة.
Son.
Hey, my sister Rahma. How are you doing?
I am home.
MashaAllah, you are home.
Salon.
Salon. Are you in salon or are you in home?
My home salon. Sige.
Rahma,
Ila sige.
are you single now?
I home. I am not sick.
Rahma, are you single or you are in relationship right now?
And no, I'm only.
Huh?
Only.
Only محاول راح أصبنا.
Relationship? No.
Okay, relationship? No. Now you are single.
Yes. For sure.
Okay. Where is your boyfriend?
My boyfriend I don't have.
Now you don't have.
Wallahi billah.
Wallahi billahi.
I hate Khalid. Khalid. And Al I hate it.
And you hate what?
I hating Al boy.
You hating all boy.
Not Lil Balil then.
Okay. You love Lil Balil.
I don't hate Lil Balil. And
Wait.
Hating you. You are my brother.
I will catch Lil Balil right now. Wait. You love Lil Balil?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, Haitiri. Okay. I will catch him. Today. You know, Instagram now I can bring 2 to 3 person. Okay, wait here. You see? I bring Lil Balil because you see I already get married, mashallah. I have this.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, say to Lil Balil.
Okay, I say to Lil Balil, marry Rahma.
Yes.
Okay, make. You getting married, Lil Balil.
Yes.
I call Lil Balil now. Yeah.
We want Lil Balil.
Yes, we want Lil Balil. All right, Lil Balil. All right, comments Lil Balil because Rahma Love
Where
Lil
is
Balil.
Lil
I
Balil?
think he's not online right now. I don't think he's not online. He's not here. He's not around. What should we do?
He is not here.
He's not around. What should we do? We have
Khalid
to
is.
wait.
I
We
don't
have to
know
wait.
Khalid. Why
Wait.
he is
I
not?
think. Huh?
Khalid, he is coming. I don't like him.
Okay, you saw Khalid here.
I don't married him. I don't like him.
Okay, Khalid, he broke your heart.
He is not good. He is only speak. He is friend.
Okay. Okay. Khalid, he broke your heart.
No, I don't love him.
So you love Lil Balil. Do you know Munir?
Yes, wallah, I am stopped to love Khalid. Long side.
Forget about Khalid. You
I-
love. Do you know Munir?
Lil Balil, yes.
Naagta Munir Lil Balil ay jaku noqoto soo noqoto. Okay, you love Lil Balil so much.
Yes.
Lil Balil is not around. What should we do?
Lil Balil?
Do you know Munir?
Yes.
But Munir, he has wife.
Munir, I like, yes. Jag. I did. Ina sike. Jag.
Okay. Okay. You are watching my song.
Sike, wallah. I hearing always this song, wallah, is so funny. Always, wallah.
Okay.
When
Are you getting married?
Eh?
When are you getting married?
I don't married.
Okay, you don't want to marry Lil Balil.
No, I want Lil Balil.
You want to marry Lil Balil,
Yeah.
but he has wife, white wife.
Because Lil Balil is good.
Lil Balil is good,
That-
but he has wife, white wife.
Because he is. Then for you are best. Then no, he is best.
Yeah.
He is good, no. Then from 4 you are good on him. No, is
Lil Balil and me, who is good?
yes.
Lil Balil and me, who is good?
Yes. We
Maha, yes. Huh?
we you are my brother, no. Then long side I love you, no.
Balil and me.
Sika.
Yeah.
Yes. We 3 is good. Then
Yeah.
from 4.
Lil Balil and me, who is good?
Yes.
What? Yes. Who is good? Me or Lil Balil?
You.
Okay. But I.
What do you say? I see. Wow.
رحمه.
ايش ما شاء الله.
ايش وين بقى محمد؟ رحمه، what happened?
ايه يا
What happened? United diva also. Are you crying?
I don't cry. It's normal.
It's normal. Okay, you are acting. Wano Julo Samia.
Yes, what? Then wallahi, mashallah. One, oh yeah, manahil, manahil, manahil.
Wait, wait. I can marry two.
Hi.
I can marry two. Oh, بالله. والله صوت ودي على قبطة والله.
Hiya, hiya. I come to say, I like manahil too, wallahi.
You like Manahil?
Yes,
You want to say Manahil? Hi.
yes, yes. Can you show me?
Okay, say hi Manahil.
Hi, manahil.
هاي رحمة.
Salam alaikum,
عليكم
habibti.
السلام.
Tesa hai.
Hi, Jaco, hi. Okay.
Tesa hai, habibti.
Yeah.
Tesa hai, manahil, habibti.
تيتا هذه وفي عنها هنا.
وفي أنا والله.
Ania. Okay. Ask her something. Don't worry. It's okay. She's your friend now.
Yes, Manahil is my friend.
Yes. You want to ask something with her? Okay, ask. No problem.
Hi,
Mm-hmm.
Manahil,
آه.
best friend.
She's ready. She's ready. She say, okay, no
Wallah.
problem, best friend.
Wow. Hi, Manahil. Thank you so much, habibti.
Tell her you have to follow me.
Manahil, yeah. Wallah, because
No
she is
problem.
my best. I like when she take my foot on you. Because you are.
What?
Sige. When she take him food on eating you, you know, it's good, very good.
Inaad kula saaxiibtay rabtaa. Best friend, waxaa dhahday best friend aan noqonaa. Jagmaano,
جبوة.
sugaa soo noqotay waxay dhegeysanaysaa. Qadkaa ka cun. Raxmo, are you okay now? Your internet is okay? Huh?
Yeah. CK,
Ah,
I say it's very good when Manahil eating you.
bye. Stop. أفك وديش ما إنجليز كهالة. معناها مركي واحد قصينا ترى بتاعنا أفك ودبرتي. Wait. You mean when Manahil give me food, right? Huh? You mean
I
when
like
Manahil
it,
give me
wallahi.
food?
Yes.
Okay, Wakas family. Okay, so Manahil, she said, Rahma best friend. Huh?
Bra?
Yeah, you want to follow her now. Follow her on Instagram. She will follow you back, okay? Then best friend. Okay, what will you say? You say, and I also need feedback.
No.
What do you want to say?
Adi do.
Huh? Ah, no, not do so. These people, they make you crazy. Not do so. CK, do so. No. Don't do so. Listen, Rahma, you are good.
Crazy.
You are very nice.
They
You are
is
my
crazy,
best friend. Don't worry. No, you are not doing do so. You are very nice. Listen,
Yes.
Ask
YouTube.
what do you want to ask Manahil?
I.
Okay.
I am not. I don't roast.
Yeah. Okay, ask her something. No problem. Ask her something.
Yeah. I got the best of it. You don't hate that one, baby. Oh, original. Ko sa mala. Elisa marunong banan.
Ramo, wait, stop the music. We are chatting. We are having conversation. Stop the song. What? Stop the music. Call it راحت وقاضي. رحمه.
Sika don't know. Sika.
واو اسكت بس يا نظام مقطع. Hello. رحمه. Stop the music. Do you hear me? Stop the music. والدي بلاو وصون نقولنا بس وصون نقولنا هذا مرساس بلاو هو أنا نو باشا شربتانو وصون نقولنا هاي ويا هاي marka waxa soo qabanayna gacantii taagan who is the next qofku ku xiga soo qabanayna yaa soo qoray soo wac oo aan soo qabanaa marka qof alaala qofkii gacanta taago aa soo qabana no problem hadaa gacanta ayaa daahan gacantii taagana arko waa soo qabanaya okay let's go aha